Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add shop button to Facebook page. It's pretty simple. First, you want to make sure you're logged into your Facebook page account. After you're in your Facebook page account, what you want to do is click on menu at the bottom right. Once you're in the menu section, at the top left corner you will see your Facebook page name. Click on the Facebook page name or its profile picture and it'll take you to your Facebook page profile picture. From your Facebook page profile picture, you can see the three dot right beside view tool. Click on it. From over here you can see the option called the add action button. Click on it. Now once you're inside add action button, your message button will be over here automatically, but if you don't see it, you can add it. Now once you add message button over here, click on edit buttons. Now once you click on edit buttons over here, from over here you want to choose this option called book now. Now in my screen it shows me book now, but in your screen it's going to show you shop now. Depends on what kind of Facebook page you have. Alright, if it's like a store, it's going to be that. If it's like a booking website, it's going to be that. Once you choose that, what you can do is untick where it says messages at the top, and once you do that, scroll a bit down and click on where it says save at the bottom. Once you click on save, basically your Facebook button will be saved and it's going to be added on your Facebook page. So that is how you guys can add shop button to your Facebook page. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.